Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Explicit Wellness. Yes, today is a wonderful day. And I hope you all had a Merry Christmas with your family and friends. And I hope you all have a happy holiday and a happy, wonderful New Year's. But today, I want to show you all something that I got for Christmas. And I've been wanting it for a while. And it's a air fryer. Yes, it's an air fryer. It's a 12-quart air fryer. Yes. This air fryer does a lot. It's an air fryer. It broils, it bakes, it roasts, it hydrates, and it can reheat. Yes. And it comes with 3 trays and a drip tray also. And this is it. You can see it. You can see it's a visible, see-through window in the front. It's dishwasher safe. It's a 1700 watts of power. It's a timer with an auto shut off. It's a one-touch cooking tool, and it also it's a large visible window in front, as you can see, so we can also see when we're cooking. And it has an easy grip handle. Yes. And I just can't wait to show you all what we're cooking today. But we're cooking chicken thighs, fried chicken thighs. And it also came with a recipe book. Let me show you the recipe book. Comes with 39 recipes. And it has so many recipes in here, you all. So many recipes. But I'll be doing fried chicken, okay? So, let's get to it. Okay, guys. I'm back. I have washed my chicken thighs with water and vinegar. And I cut some of the fat off. But some of you all like to take the fat off. But I do have some fat on mine. Not much. But yes. And after I washed them, I dried them with paper towels so that the flour will stick on it. So yes, make sure you clean your meat thoroughly. Yes. These are the seasonings I have in here. And I'm going to tell you how much you need. And what we use, okay? I'm going by the recipe book. Okay, we're going to be needing your chicken thighs. It's called for buttermilk, but we're not going to be using buttermilk today. 2 teaspoons of salt, but I use 2 teaspoons of Himalayan salt. And I also use 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika. And that's pretty much it. And you can add your own seasonings, but this is the recipe here. Yes. Okay. This is what's in this container here, this bowl. So what we're going to do, we're just going to put it on here and make sure our chicken thighs are already coated thoroughly. And like I said, you don't have to go by the recipe book. You might not like those seasonings, but it's to your own. Okay? Discretion. So whatever you like, put it on there. It's still going to cook in your air fryer the right way. Some people like to make their own crumbs, like bread crumbs or whatever, but we're not going to do that. We just want to make sure that these chicken thighs are coated thoroughly. Okay? I can't wait to taste it. Yes. The crunch, the taste, the smell. Okay. Wash my hands. Okay. Now, I'm also going to be using egg wash. I use 2 eggs. Okay, this is the egg wash here. And I'm going to be dipping my chicken thighs in the egg wash. Okay. And then I'm going to be putting them in this bowl here. Dip them one by one. I hope I have enough egg wash. And this is so that we're using egg wash so that the flour would stick. Now use just all-purpose flour. Just gonna dip it one by one and just make sure that it's coated. I think I'm gonna have enough, you all. And just coating it and putting it in this bowl over here, because in the next step I'm going to be putting them in this bag, coating them like two or three at a time. That's with the flour in there. Yeah, I had just enough egg wash. So that's perfect. This is the last one. I had some left over. Okay. And that's the end of that. Make sure you all are washing your hands. My sink is right here. With the hot, warm, soapy bleach and Dawn water. Right. Okay. There you have it. Your chicken thighs with the egg wash on it. Okay, guys. Okay, now that we have floured our chicken thighs, I'm going to put some oil on here. I'm using avocado oil. You can use olive oil, whatever oil you like, you can use it. But that's to help from it sticking to the pans. And you can also coat it. So I have coated one pan. I think I'm going to put some on all three pans, but I've used this Baker's Joy to help the, and it has flour with it too, so yeah, so that's to help the chicken from not sticking, okay? So I'm using avocado oil, and I poured some in here. I wish I had a spray bottle for the oil. I'm gonna invest in one of those, so I'm gonna put so many on here and coat them so they can go on the tray, and I'm gonna put it in the air fryer, and I'm gonna let you all see me do that, okay? Because when you're checking them, you don't want the flour to be on them as they're baking, so that'll help that too, okay? So I'm gonna do 3 at a time. I'm just gonna spread a little on here. It would really help if I had that spray bottle. But that's okay. We're gonna make it do what it do, okay? We're gonna make it do what it do. Okay? And it's okay if you don't see the flour anymore, because you don't want to see the flour when it's baking, when you check it, because we have to go back and check it also. Okay? So that's 3. Okay? Okay. Okay, I have the air fryer open. And the first tray is already coated with the Baker's Joy non-stick spray. Okay? And I'm just going to be putting these on the air fryer pan. That's 3, okay? So I'm going to stick them up here. This is the first tray. Remember, it came with 3 trays, and it came also with this dripping pan. I just coated it with foil, so it'll make it easier for me to clean. Okay, I'm gonna get the next tray, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna spraying, spraying. Okay, the same step. Okay. Okay, guys. Now that I have my chicken thighs in my air fryer, I took the 3rd tray out because I only needed 2 trays. And I think I had 7 chicken thighs in there, but they're in there, and we're gonna close it up. Okay, and we have placed our chicken thighs and trays in our air fryer, and now we're going to set it. Okay, we're gonna put it on 370 degrees. Okay, and as you can see, you see the chicken. We're gonna press chicken, and it comes to 370 degrees, and 40 minutes. That's it. Okay, and after that, as the cooking cycle begins, we're going to check it 10 minutes twice. Okay, we're going to check it 10 minutes. So it's cooking, and as you can see the in the window here. Okay, we put it in at 5:43. We're going to check it in 10 minutes, and we will be back. Okay, guys, it's that time. So as you can see them, they are really looking good. Yes, that part. So let's take them out and look at them again. I'm gonna put my plate up on the red. Look delicious, don't they? I'll rotate them one more time. Rotate this one more time. This is the last step. Okay. Put it back in there. As you can see, it started back up again. Have 14 minutes left. And they're in there, and we will be back to show you the final results. Okay, you all, it's on 1 minute, as you can see. Yes, and let's see how it ends. You all know how it started. Let's see how it ends. And we're gonna take these chicken thighs out. Ooh, y'all, it looks so crispy. Yes, sir. Hey. Hey. Yes. The crispiness. Let's see. Ah. Hey. Okay. 9 cents off. Okay. We're gonna see how many beats it makes before sounding off. Okay. That's it, children. Hey, we're gonna open it. Ooh, y'all see that thing? Y'all see it? Oh gosh. Oh my. Oh my gosh. They are so crispy. I love it. 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 Yes. Let me get my plate here so I can put them up under here. Oh gosh. Y'all look. You all just look at them. Okay. Let's take the next tray out. Place them over there too. And I'm gonna take this pan out. Okay. And this is all the oil that came out of it. Yeah, and I'm gonna sit to the side. But as you can see, it's no residue or no oil up in there or anything. Just a little splash right here. And that's it. We're gonna close this up and wash those pans and see how this chicken looking. Okay, that part. Okay. Okay, y'all. This is the final results. Y'all see it? Look how crispy they are. They're so crispy. They are so crispy. Yes. Look at that. So I'm gonna cut into one. Look how juicy they are. Oh yes, I love it. Y'all see it? Yes. I love it. Crispy. Flavorful. Y'all, get your air fryer. Get your air fryer. Less fat. Yes. So I love them, y'all. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's hot, y'all. It's hot. It's hot, y'all. It's hot. It's so hot. We'll be making more recipes with this air fryer. And if you don't have an air fryer, you need to get you some. Get you one. Yeah, look at that meat. Look at that. Love it. Yep. That crunchiness. That's it. I don't show y'all everything else. Get you one. I love y'all. Make sure y'all share, subscribe, and like. Yes. I love y'all. Happy New Year.